So we're going to talk about staple down. I have a couple things here. It is extremely easy to staple down these floors. You staple down into the groove. So normal plank with the locking system groove and then the tongue. And so you can see the groove here. And we're going to use 1/4 inch crown. These are 1 1/4 inch long staples. And typically, with other hardwood floors, you'd be standing on it and you'd be pounding in nails or staples. Over this, you just use an adjustable head 18 gauge staple gun, and you staple directly down into the groove. And you want to make sure, since this is a 1/4 inch crown, that you staple horizontally to the wear layer or in the same direction as the actual locking system. You don't want to go perpendicular to it because you'll get more hold, a better hold, if you have a 1/4 inch crown staple and you're doing it right along the wear layer. And you're just going to staple every 6 to 8 inches all the way down. Really, really nice.